What if we could print the organs we need, just like we print documents or photos? Imagine never waiting on a transplant list, never losing a loved one because a donor couldn't be found. Well, that future might be closer than you think. Researchers have just 3D printed a miniature human lung using bioinks made entirely from human cells. And not only does it look like a lung, it actually breathes. It can inflate, contract, and even exchange oxygen, just like the real thing. That's right. We're literally printing life itself, one breath at a time. This breakthrough comes from a team of bioengineers who used a special type of bioink, a mixture of living human cells and supportive biological materials. Using an advanced 3D bioprinter, they carefully built up layers of this living ink to form the delicate structure of lung tissue. Unlike ordinary 3D printing, this process isn't about plastic or metal. It's about living matter. Every layer must remain alive, aligned, and functional. The researchers printed microscopic airways, blood vessel networks, and soft tissue that mimics how our lungs expand and contract. When oxygen was passed through it, something incredible happened. The printed mini-lung actually exchanged gases, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, the same fundamental process that keeps us alive. For decades, scientists have dreamed of growing replacement organs in the lab. The main challenge has always been replicating the complex structure of organs like the lung, with millions of tiny air sacs, blood vessels, and membranes. This experiment is the first real proof that it's possible to print a living organ capable of performing essential biological functions. Sure, the printed lung is still very small, about the size of a coin, but it represents a giant leap toward the ultimate goal: printing full-sized human organs ready for transplant. Just imagine. No more waiting lists, no more organ shortages, no risk of rejection, because the organ could be printed using your own cells. Researchers say the next steps are to scale up, printing larger, more complex lungs that can survive long-term and fully integrate with the body. They're also working on printing other organs, hearts, kidneys, even skin and bone tissue. And while it may take years before 3D printed organs are ready for human use, this achievement proves it can be done. We're no longer just repairing life. We're learning to build it. So what do you think? Will we soon be printing spare organs on demand? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science stories. Because every great breakthrough begins with a single breath. And today, we've just printed one.